Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Veronica. I garden in northeastern Illinois, zone 6A. Today, I'm going to be cutting back the Nepeta, just not cleaning it, just doing the chop and drop again right here. And the Nepeta in the front garden. Let's get at it.
And right here, I'm disinfecting the gardening shears I'll be using with rubbing alcohol. I'm spring cleaning the Walker Slow Nepeta. It's a hardy perennial that needs at least 6 hours of sun. It's low water requirement and it gets 2 to 3 feet tall and wide. Any soil works as long as it isn't soggy. Very tough, survives hot summers and freezing winters. It's hardy in zones 4 through 9. And here I'm doing the chop and drop, which is good for your soil and good for beneficial insects. After the first flowers fade in midsummer, cut the plant back by half. It will grow back tidier and bloom again until frost. Bees and butterflies love this, and deer and rabbits usually ignore it. Provides a soft lavender look without the fussiness of actual lavender.
Okay, so we cleaned up the Nepeta. Right there. Oh, it's windy.
So while cleaning the Nepeta in the front, I decided to clean the Russian Sage as well. You cut it down 6 inches off the ground for sturdy stems. It needs full sun, at least 6 hours. It's hardy in zones 4 through 9. It needs low water, and the soil needs to be well drained. It grows 2 to 4 feet tall and wide. Blooms lavender blue flowers from midsummer to fall. It's low maintenance, resistant to deer and rabbits, and it's a pollinator magnet. If the stems start to lean or flap, it usually means the plant needs more sun or the soil is too rich. It actually thrives in lean soil with very little fertilizer.
I think I'm done for today. It's really windy out here and it looks like it's gonna rain. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.